So now we will be discussing about operators, right? Operators are now important for coding operations, mathematical operations, right? Just a minute. Right. So operators are symbols or keywords in programming languages that tell the compiler to or interpreter to perform specific operations on one or more operands, right? Operands can be variables, constants, or expressions, or so we first talked about data types, right? Now we're talking about operators. So operators are basically operations that can be done, right? Operands can be variable, constants, or expressions. Operators are very essential for manipulating data, making decisions, and controlling the flow of a program, right? So the importance of operators allow you to perform calculations, make comparisons, assign values, right? And much more, right? They allow you to perform calculations, make comparisons, assign values. They are the building blocks of all programming tasks. So overview of operator types. There are many operator types, right? Arithmetic operations. Operators perform mathematical operations. Relational operators compare to values or expressions. Logical operators perform logical operations on Boolean values. Bitwise operators operate on binary representations of numbers, right? Assignment operators assign values to variables. Unity operators operate on a single operand. Ternary operator, a compact form of an if-else statement. Compound operators combine operators and assignments, right? So we'll be talking about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators perform basic mathematical operations. They are foundational in programming, used in everything from simple calculations to complex algorithms. Basic operations is addition, adds two operands, subtraction, subtracts the second operand from the first. Multiplication multiplies two operands. Division divides the first operand by the second. Be cautious of division by zero, which is undefined in most programming languages. Right? Modulus returns the remainder of a division operation. Useful in scenarios like determining if a number is even or odd. Then we have order of operations, procedure, precedence, and associativity. Right? Operators have a specific order in which they are evaluated. This is called precedence. Multiplication and division have higher precedence than addition and subtraction. So associativity determines the order in which operators of the same precedence level are evaluated. For example, in the expression a minus b plus c, subtraction and addition have the same precedence, so the evaluation proceeds from left to right. Then you have increment and decrement operators, right? Increment plus increases integers value by 1. Then we have negative. Decrements value decreases an integer's value by 1. Pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment increments the value before the expression is evaluated, while post-increment increments the value after the expression is evaluated. And the same applies to the decrement operators. Then you have something called relational operators. Right. So relational operators compare two operands and return a Boolean value, which can be either true or either false. Right. So these operators are crucial in controlling the flow of a program, particularly in conditional statements like if, else, and such. And comparison operators equals to check if the operands are equal. Not equals to is not equals to. Right. Let me tell you, this is equals to check if the two operands are equal. This is not equals to checks if the two operands are not equal. Greater than checks if the left operand is greater than the right. Less than checks if the left operand is less than the right. Greater than or equal to right. Greater than or equal to checks if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right. Less than equals to checks if the left operand is less than or equal to the right. So usage in conditional statements. Relational operators are often used within if-else statements to control the program's flow based on certain conditions. For example, you have an if statement if the age is greater than equals to 18. Code where you would include the code for adults. Then you have else, and here you will have code for minus. Right. Then you have logical operators. Logical operators perform logical operations on Boolean values and are often used to combine multiple conditions. And operator. Logical and operators defined like this. returns true if both operands are true. If either operand is false, the result is false.